In this video, I will show you a strategy on how to win the current Gift Partners event on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So there's currently a Gift Partners event which has just been launched. It's currently running for 5 days and 10 hours. As you can see, the grand prize for completing all of these is 5,000 dice. You win a sticker pack with one new sticker, the Mr. Mbot Monopoly token, and a new emoji. So in order to do this, it's one of the ones where you basically have to spin the wheel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is invite people to play with, and these can only be people that you are friends with. Now what I would recommend is playing with people that you've played with in previous events that you've managed to complete, as you know they're active, and of course it's going to help you win this event. And to actually go ahead and collect the pieces to spin the wheel, there's a number of ways you can do this. So what you can do is just spin your dice and go around the board, and when you land on certain spaces, so for example this one here, you can see that was a space where you actually obtain pieces, so they look like this. You can also do this by completing your daily wins as well, and completing milestones on the current in-game events. Also, if you come into the shop, there is actually a free gift. So if you look at the top and you just keep swiping along to the far right, there's a free gift which is available every 8 hours. Now sometimes in these free gifts you're going to get some of the pieces needed to complete your Gift Partners event as well. So all you want to do is keep going around the board and collecting all the parts. Make sure the people that you do team up with are, if possible, people that you've done similar events with that have managed to complete them, because you know of course they're going to be reliable and they are going to be active in the event. So of course once you've gone ahead and got your parts to start spinning the wheels, what you can do is come and start spinning the wheel. And what I would recommend is actually spinning on the highest level possible. So for example, if you've got enough to do the maximum multiplier, which is 600 per spin, of course this is going to get you to your goal faster. So you do get individual prices throughout each build. So every time you keep building, the bar's going to fit up here on the left hand side, and as you can see there's going to be prizes along the way, with the top prize being 500 dice, 4 billion in Monopoly money, and a sticker pack with a minimum of 1 5-star sticker. So that's a quick strategy for you guys on how to go ahead and win the current Gift Partners event on Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.